Hi everybody, it's Nunu, and my purpose in this video is to provide an overview of the weekly communication assignments. All right, let's scroll down and let's look at the directions here. Do either 1 or 2 below. 1 is to write me a weekly email via the Canvas inbox, letting me know if you are okay and if the assignments seem useful and are clear in terms of directions. Now the inbox is right over here. Number 2, visit me during Zoom office hours, 1 to 3 p.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays. And we have the Zoom access information right here, as well as a video that you can watch if you have not Zoomed before. Now this assignment is extremely important. I need to know from you if you are okay and if the assignments seem useful and are clear in terms of directions. Teach me how to teach this class and let me know how you are. If something's up, maybe I can help and sort through any difficulties in the class. I care about your well-being. I want this class to be meaningful and useful to you outside of the classroom in real life, and you're going to let me know that. All right, any questions or concerns? I'm here in the inbox.